What's up, guys? Bobby Land coming at you with another video. I'm making this video because a couple of days ago, Houston and Edmond announced this epic giveaway. They're giving away this amazing trip for you plus one. You get to drive exotic cars. Like I think he's going to give you Houston is going to give you a Lamborghini Huracan. You're going to get to go to the racetrack and compete against Edmond and Houston. They're going to give you some money, I believe, like $1,000 cash. And then Edmond's going to put you up in one of the hotels with some of his bonus points he's got for staying there. Guys, this is an amazing opportunity. And like you've seen in the thumbnail, I want to go hang with Houston and Edmond out there in Las Vegas. I think it would be amazing. It would be great for my channel. Plus, I would enjoy the you-know-what out of it, right? I've already met Houston. Edmond, I'm sorry I've not met you yet. Hopefully I will with this trip, and hopefully I'll be one of the 3 winners that you give this trip to. But I can't think of anybody other than Houston to tell you guys why I should be the one on the trip.
Guys, if you guys have anything to do it with him.
Awesome, man. I appreciate it, brother. Have a good one.
And just like that, guys, Houston, I couldn't have said it better myself. I look forward to seeing you in Vegas.
Dum